If your YouTube TV app freezes, stops responding, or won't react to your remote or touch, you can fix it with a few simple steps. This problem is usually caused by memory overload, outdated software, or a temporary app glitch. Here's how to get it working again. Step 1. Close the YouTube TV app. Don't just go back to the home screen. Fully force close the app. On smart TVs, open the Settings menu and force stop the YouTube TV app. On Roku or Fire TV, return to the home screen and relaunch the app. On mobile devices, open the Recent Apps list and swipe YouTube TV away. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your TV or streaming device. If possible, unplug it for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on again. This clears temporary memory issues that commonly cause freezing. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi can make the app stop responding. Restart your router, move closer to your Wi-Fi source, or switch to a 5 GHz network for better stability. Step 4. Clear the app cache. Depending on your device. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open Settings, go to Apps, select YouTube TV, and clear the cache. On Roku, use the hidden cache reset sequence. Home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. On Apple TV or iPhone, delete the YouTube TV app and reinstall it to refresh all app data. Step 5. Update your app and device software. Make sure your YouTube TV app and your device firmware are fully updated. Outdated versions frequently cause freezing, lag, or unresponsive behavior. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.